Super strong. Greenco Super Strong Folding Step Stool is made for children and adults and can carry up to 300 pounds. Dimensions: 11W by 8.5 L x 11H. Save space. Designed to be folded in order to conserve space. Simply pull up the handle and push in the sides and you are all set. Easy carrying. The stool has a durable carrying handle. This remarkable feature allows you to carry the stool wherever you go. Height when needed. Foldable step stool gives you and your children the extra height, up to 11 inches, whether it is in the kitchen, bathroom, dining room, closet, or at the go. Non-slip surface. Rubber polka dots on the step stool's surface help to prevent injuries that occur from slipping. In addition, not only it will give you the grip you need, but it also looks great and stylish. Top reviews from the United States. Buy one. This product turned out to be perfect for the kitchen. My kitchen cabinets are fairly deep. A two-step ladder would be too bulky. A stepping stool would be in the way. With this product I just fold it and store it away between the floor cabinets. It handles my weight, 270 pounds. Light to move around. Don't take a chance of falling off a chair. Buy one.